Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah. Good morning everyone. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independent from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in the independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on the borders to protect our country. So, it is our responsibility sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely, the day is not for when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद, जय भारत। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।